This piece of olive wood is about to become my best-selling knife holder design. Handmade from olive wood and walnut, with hidden magnets powerful enough to hold knives on both sides. Let's build it. Before I continue with today's build, I decided I'm gonna share one or two knife holders. I'm gonna give it as a giveaway, and I have a few interesting announcements they're gonna make later on, so make sure you watch the whole video. I always start with selecting proper wood for the project, and luckily I have two really beautiful pieces of olive wood, which is centuries old, with really beautiful grain and patterns, and I'm gonna use this olive wood for today's project. Here's a tip for you. If you want to go a step forward, make sure you rip the piece and flip the sides over. So rip it and flip it. When you do that, you will have matching grain on both sides, and the knife holder will look even better. The drill bit that I'm using for magnet holes is a regular drill bit. I just tune it up a little bit. I remove the center point, which is in the middle, and also I sand the sides a little bit so the holes are a bit snug. So when I'm gonna put the magnet in, it will hold it in place. Yeah, you really have to pay attention when working with super strong magnets like this, because if you put them by accident too close to each other, the forces are so strong that they will shatter at the impact. And surely you don't want to end up with fragments in your eyes or somewhere. So you have to pay attention. You can see by my vast collection of magnets underneath my table that I wasn't so careful in the past. Most of the times I'm using PU, which is polyurethane glue, for this type of applications, because sometimes the first surface is not 100% flat, and that PU glue expands and fill up those voids. And to make sure that the glue joint is really strong, this type of glue works even better when you spray a little bit of water on the one side, and when you put it all together, it holds really strong and really fast. Sometimes when I take the pieces from the press that I made, they can be slightly curved, there's like a warp in it. But that's easy to fix. I'm just going to go to the belt sander, I'm going to sand the edges off, I'm going to sand it flat. In one time, this was the best-selling knife holder on Etsy in home and living category. I think the winning combination was the overall design, materials, and the function that you can store knives on both sides. And I'm really happy to show you guys how I actually make them. Here is another tip for you guys. When you have a larger holes or voids in your workpiece, you can use epoxy, of course, but I found a better way. After some research, I found a black bondo, which they use in car industry. This type of bondo is designed for plastic materials. That means it has plastic properties, and it works with wood really well. It is hard, it is elastic, and also the constant black color, it goes really nice with the wood. The most important thing for me was the price. This is really cheap. You cannot compare it with the much expensive epoxy. And the second thing is that after half an hour, I can already continue with my work. While olive wood is known for its rich and beautiful grain, it's also known for the voids and cracks that are naturally occurring in the wood because wood is so dense. Usually I just go with epoxy, but sometimes when I'm in the hurry or the voids are smaller, I'm using this 2-part super glue, which you can find almost any woodworking shop. And I'm just gonna fill up the voids and sand it off. Sure, making knife holders is something that I didn't plan. It happened. And I made business out of it. And in the end, I lost it all. But till this day, every single time when I'm making something with my hands, I feel good. It relaxes me. And when you reach the person who is willing to pay that amount for your product, that on itself is very rewarding. Until this day, when I have people in my house and they see a knife holder standing on its own on the kitchen tabletop, that always catches their eye. And there are always questions, and they are always fascinated by that, and that is also very rewarding. In the beginning of the video, I said I had an announcement to make. I had 3 things to tell you. The first thing is obvious. I'll focus more into producing good quality content. I will post more on a regular basis and try to grow this channel. The second thing is we're gonna have a giveaway. I will give away 3 different knife holders that I made. In order to participate, you just have to tell me which knife holder you like the most, which you will see in this video. And that's it. You will get a knife holder free of charge, free shipping, as a thank you for my loyal followers. In the past year, I partnered with a company that produces one of the best woodworking equipment in the world, and I will make several videos on that subject. There will be how-to videos, there will be review videos, and also I will make a few videos in my native language, Slovenian. But no worries, I will include subtitle versions also. Do you have any idea about which company I'm talking about? Let me know in the comment section below. So that's about it, guys. Let me know which knife holder you like the most. Write that down in comment. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you all for your support.